3, the magistrate then adjourns the court until a social investigation.
We do not have a juvenile court system in the state of Wyoming. You don't go to a building that says juvenile court.
The juvenile has a right to counsel,
whose specialty is U.S. crime. The crime experts are formulating an ambitious project in crime prevention.
Wyomingites have long debated whether or not to establish a juvenile court in Wyoming. The first juvenile court in the United States was established in 1899 in Illinois. By 1910, 32 states had established specialized juvenile courts, and by 1925, all states but Maine and Wyoming had specialized juvenile courts. Today, in 2012, Wyoming looks back on years of recommendations, yet there has been little change.
And so those children who are lucky enough to get into juvenile court in Wyoming are actually handled fairly well. The problem is the vast majority never go anywhere near a district court. They are in circuit court or municipal court, and those courts do not have the authority to order the kind of treatment that children may need.
And obey all the rules of the court and probation department.
A 1970 report commissioned by the state of Wyoming found it is clear that there is no uniformity in the disposition of matters involving juveniles at the local level. Change has been slow to come, and there remains a great deal of resistance, especially among Wyoming's county prosecuting attorneys. In August 2011, Campbell County prosecuting attorney Jeannie Stone presented a letter to the Joint Judiciary Interim Committee in Sundance, Wyoming. The Casper Star Tribune reported Ms. Stone as stating, "A complete overhaul of the juvenile code is not needed as suggested. Let's keep Wyoming's unique approach in dealing with juveniles in our state."
Está echadita.
Oiga, señor, we are federales, you know, the mountain police.
If you're the police, where are your badges?
Badges? We ain't got no badges. We don't need no badges. I don't have to show you any stinking badges.
Better not.
In September 2010, the Wyoming ACLU reported that only an estimated 10 to 15% of youth appear in juvenile court, while the remaining 85 to 90% are processed through adult courts, which makes little distinction between youth and adults and do not provide essential rehabilitative services.